Welcome, today I'm showing you how to hide photos in your gallery in your Oppo A96. First of all, open your gallery standard application on this device, like photos. And now choose your photos wanna hide. Press and hold to select. I've got only 2 photos. And now on the bottom we got set as private button. Tap it. And now you need to enter your privacy password. If you don't have this password, firstly you need setup and enter a privacy information. So now we got private safe, agree and continue. Access private safe in settings privacy, and this information how to set up this private password. So for greeting converses, open private safe. Okay, press cancel and go back. And one more time, press and hold to select and press set as private button. And we got success message, so touch and hold a tab to view its image. So on the top we got our tabs. Now press and hold, enter our privacy password, and here we got our hide images and videos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.